Hello, my little kids. The grammar class of today is about adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe nouns like people, places, things, or ideas. Adjectives goes after the noun. Remember, the noun are people, places, things, or ideas. And a form of be. The form of be is, are, was, and were. For other verbs, the adjective goes before the noun. Example, the athlete was tall. Here I have the form of be, and here I have the adjective. He has a new red racket. This is other verb and goes before the noun. Racket is the noun. Laura is short and fast. She wears a blue leotard. Is the form of be, short and fast. Wears is other verb and goes before the noun. They are slow. They use a yellow ball. Noun, adverbs. Adverbs describe verbs. Verbs are actions. They often answer the question how. Adverbs provide a description of how, where, when, in what manner, and to what extent something is done or happens. Adverbs follow the verb. Example, the athlete jumped high and ran fast. Here is the form. Adverbs follow the verb. The athlete jumped. Jump is the verb, and immediately goes the adverb high and ran fast. He kicked hard the soccer ball. Kick is the verb, hard is the adverb. She ran fast across the field. Okay, after this explanation, you have the activity in your grammar book in the page number 30. Here, I put a reference table about the article, adjective, noun, verb, and adverb. Okay, if you have questions, please write me. Have a nice weekend. Bye.